Good evening to everyone. So today our topic is short sound of E, and the short sound of E is E. Here are some words, we are going to read it. V, E, B. Web, B, E, D. Bed, feb. Lead, red. Wet, back, leg, peg. Den, hen. Men, pen. N, ten. Bet, get. Jet, let. Met, net. Set, wet. Wet, wet. Bent, lend. Mend, lend. Sent, tent. Bent, dent. Lent, rent. Sent, tent. Went, went. Best, lest. Nest, pest. Rest, test, and west. So my dear students, today we have done the short sound of E. The short sound of E is E, and the long sound of E is E. So I will suggest you that if you missed my previous videos in which we have done the short sound of E plus the long sound of E, and some other ways in which we can say the sound of E, go for that and watch that videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.